If you're as fascinated by the Fyre Festival as I am, you gotta check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You may remember the Fyre Festival from a few years ago. I actually didn't know anything about it when it was actually going on. I wasn't the demographic that was being targeted to go to it, and I wasn't an influencer either to promote it. So I never heard about it, but I did watch the documentary on the Fyre Festival and how it was just this giant cluster. And I was fascinated by it. I love a good implosion story, whether it's Bear Stearns or Enron or WorldCom or whatever it might be. And the Fyre Festival was one of those that was amazing. And it was great to see a bunch of people who were very high on themselves just find themselves abandoned in the middle of nowhere, albeit the Caribbean. Hey, you can buy these Fyre Festival shirts anywhere because I don't think anyone's chasing down the copyrights on them at the moment. Now, I saw an article that actually said that some of the original authentic Fyre Festival apparel was going to go up for auction, and I'm not sure why people would pay for that, especially when you can just get aftermarket unofficial stuff like this. So I picked up this t-shirt and it says Fyre Festival and it looks pretty legit. Orange on there, black t-shirt. Let's try it out. Yeah, hey, this looks pretty smart on me, man. Yeah, sun's out, guns out, get them buns out. Fyre Festival. This is a way you can support it, and for people in the know, they will know exactly what this is. I'm just kind of curious about wearing this around in public and see if anyone comments on it, because I am fascinated by the Fyre Festival. Hey, this was actually fairly inexpensive, probably expensive as t-shirts go, but you know what? You never want to forget. Fyre Festival, RIP. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.